Topic 8. My favorite food. My favorite food is rice with chicken because it is very delicious and easy to eat. I enjoy eating this food almost every day. It is simple, but it gives me energy and makes me feel full and satisfied. Every day, my mother cooks rice with chicken for our family. The chicken is cooked with spices and vegetables, which makes it very tasty. Sometimes we also add soup or fresh vegetables to make the meal healthier. I like eating with my family because it is a happy time for all of us. I usually eat this food for lunch or dinner. When I feel hungry, I always think about my favorite food. It smells good and tastes wonderful. I feel very happy when I eat it. My favorite food is not only delicious, but also important for my health. It gives me strength to study and play. I believe eating good food helps me stay strong and active. In the future, I want to learn how to cook my favorite food by myself. I think cooking is a useful skill, and I want to make delicious food for my family.